What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're checking out a vegetarian restaurant in Kampot. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without see. Make people live foods, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
So we are out here, I'm in the downtown of Kampot, and I'm right near the vegetarian restaurant called Simple Things. And I'm not vegetarian, but I know if you are, you would worry. In Southeast Asia, a lot of the meals revolve around meat. So it's great when you can find a really good vegetarian restaurant. So the pictures looked awesome. So let's get in there and we'll order a few things and see what it looks like. Wow, so there's like comfortable couch type seating and small tables here, and then lots more inside. Alright, there's a bar and counter here at the back. The sign says there's more space upstairs too. There's a lounge, board games, a piano. Different board games and books. So here's the menu. They have smoothies and drinks, and they do breakfast, appetizers, big salads, and they have a pizza menu too. So remember, everything here is vegetarian, but there's like spring rolls, eggplant rolls, Mexican salad, Greek salad, falafel salad. I'm just naming a few here. Veggie burger, falafel plate, different bowls. I think I'm gonna get a healthy rice bowl. There's desserts. They have a raw cheesecake as well. I think I want a smoothie. They have detox smoothies. They have spiced ones that have like cinnamon or chili, and they have tropical fruit smoothies too. Gin and tonics $2.75. That's really good price. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.